Hey, Cargo here. So, why is the Oort Online World Builder so amazing? Well, for starters, it uses what's called procedural generation. That's where you use computer algorithms to build the world for you. It's done with little effort compared to manually sculpting the land by hand. Don't get me wrong, there are a lot of great tools that allow you to sculpt absolutely amazing voxel terrain by hand, but why not just build a set of parameters that can do the same thing, potentially over and over and over if you so choose? Here, take a look at this biome. This is Etheria. I built this biome by hand using Voxel Sniper. It took me days to sculpt this by hand. It's pretty cool, but now imagine a world where we fed that same set of parameters and built it procedurally. We could have an entire planet that looks like this, all of which is done by the computer instead of me having to do it by hand. That's the power of procedural generation. Next is custom biome crafting. Let's start with what a biome is. A biome is a certain type of climate and geography within the world. In Minecraft, biomes are designed by Mojang. They're static, jungles always fit a narrow set of constraints, and thus always look relatively the same. Same goes for the desert, and so on. With Oort Online's World Builder, that limitation is removed. Now you have a way to control the height of the mountains, the density of the forest, the very shape of the ground you're standing on. Perhaps you want spiky mountains, or trees as tall as a skyscraper, or maybe just floating islands like I do. All of that becomes possible when you have custom biomes. One of the best advances in the Oort Online World Builder is the graphical user interface. It works by making a flowchart that's made up of boxes that are connected with lines. This removes the need for editing text files or formatting delimiters like commas and brackets. It forms a tree that's really easy to drill down to and find exactly what you're looking for in seconds. It also gives you the ability to change values in each box with a slider bar instead of having to key in values. Then there's 3D preview visualizations. They give you the ability to preview how the values you set affect the world without having to leave the world builder and render the final world. Visualizations can be seen each step of the way, from the noise, to the height map, to biome selection, and ultimately the final world itself. This allows you to see what's happening each step of the way, making the process of building and troubleshooting much easier. That way you spend more time building and less time going back and forth between programs. One of my favorite features is the rich block coloring options. The Oort Online World Builder gives you unparalleled control over block color. You can change the color of blocks individually. For example, dirt can be dozens of different colors, not just green or purple. You can also use one of the many themed color sets built right into the editor for you to give your world a look and feel that's amazing. And as if that wasn't enough, the World Builder will have a modding interface built into it as well. Currently, the Oort Online World Builder is available to all instant access level backers. Thanks for watching, and follow me on Twitter for more world generating goodness, and I'll see you in the universe of Oort Online.